If you are still only typing to ChatGPT, you are missing its most powerful feature. Today I'll show you how to use camera mode to scan your screen or book and get instant answer. Hey everyone, welcome back to Jackam Future Tech. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to use ChatGPT Camera Mode on your phone so you can solve problems just by pointing your camera. Step 1. Open Camera Mode. First open the ChatGPT app on your phone. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom. Now your phone is ready to see anything you point it. Step 2. Show real example screen or book. Let's say you don't understand something on your laptop or in a book. Just point your camera at the screen or page. Make sure the text is clear and take a photo. Now type or speak a question like explain this in simple words or fix this error for me. Step 3. Different use cases. You can use this for school notes, code errors, menus in other languages, or confusing setting on your phone. The better and clearer your photo, the better answer you get. Step 4. Tips and warning. Avoid sharing private information like password or banking details. Always ask clear questions. For example, summarize this in 3 points or give me a step-by-step solution. If this camera mode tutorial helped, you'll hit like and subscribe for more simple AI tricks. Comment camera mode if you want a part 2 with advanced tips.